Hello guys, here is another video on the Holmes model HSAF-1515 16-inch oscillating pedestal fan from 2009. So here it is after it went through some modifications and servicing, of course. Now this is the one that was found outside of high school. This came from a classroom, who knows where. And you know, this fan came with the entire grill assembly loose. But other than that, this did see some modification, and it was mainly with the back grill. So not sure if you could kind of see it, but I'll pretty much show you up close. All of that extra plastic got chopped off, you know, because these grill designs were notorious for having very poor airflow dynamics. And these were insanely restrictive. And you know, I kind of figured that the reason they had to put all that extra plastic on this portion of the grill was mainly because, once again, the design of this back grill being sloped like this, it is kind of close to the leading edge of the blade here. So if anybody were to stick their finger right here, you know, they could kind of get hurt. Even though, of course, this is not a metal blade. It's plastic, but still. I have had a fan running backwards, and you know, I got cut from that. Room 149. Who knows where this classroom is and what type of... well, actually, I don't even know if this is a classroom or dean's office, whatever it's in that school, but you know, this was used for quite a while now, up until, like, you know, this entire grill assembly came off. And turns out with this Holmes badge, the reason it was held by paper clips is because one of the clips on here broke off. The other one's still on, and you know, it's holding it for dear life here. So yeah, that's pretty much the updates on this fan. Now, I think I might have to leave the front grill the way it is, you know, even though there's a lot of space from the blade to the front of this. And the other odd thing about it is, not sure if you can see it on camera, but the spacing between the wires is definitely tighter to the rear grill, which is more, a little bit wider. I don't know how this was engineered, but it was definitely engineered poorly, because they did not have to design this fan like that. Anyways, here is low speed. Turn this fan right here. So the airflow seems to be a bit better to the last video, which, you know, the low speed barely blew any air. It's still not good though. It's very, very soft. It does travel for a bit, and it seems to kind of, well, no. Yeah, it's strong at front, but you know, once you get a big back, it does get softer. Once again, that is due to the spacing on the front grill being tighter. Because if it were to have the same amount of spacing as, let's say something like that Medea fan in the back, maybe the airflow will be a bit better. And I think, and another thing, I have seen another Holmes fan with the straight back grill. If it were to have that grill instead, maybe Holmes will be able to add more pitch onto this. But yeah, once again, this design is kind of stupid. See, medium. And remember how I said that the balance is actually kind of decent? It actually turns out it's kind of awful. And the base on the floor just keeps smacking up against it. I mean, it's somewhat improved, but not much. Nice. I mean, on high speed, at least it is expected that the airflow is kind of constant, but not really. And I was kind of starting to hear the bass rattle up against the floor. And it is definitely shaking terribly here. For not having much pitch on the blade, that is really off par. Oh yeah, another thing, I did swap out the oscillating rod, that little piece that turns the oscillation mechanism. Yeah, I swapped it out. The original one gave it like a 30-degree oscillation. This one now has like a 75-degree at least. But one thing I realized, even for like this time period, 2009, this is actually kind of a decently built product. And I'm impressed that they were still using this design up until this moment in time. And I think somebody said that this model was present on the market up until like 2016, even though I'm not sure about that. but I have seen new old stock. Well, actually, yeah, new old stock of these fans being sold at a lot less for uh, like between 2020 to 21. Yeah, it does seem a bit more decent now, but not really. Alright, let's turn it off now. And as you see there, it does have a decent spin down timing. It takes a while to coast down, once again due to the pitch. But anyways, there you have it. That's the 2009 Holmes HSAF-1515 oscillating pedestal fan after cleaning and servicing.